Up YouTube, today I'm going to show you guys how to install the new Vine app that's called Byte. All you gotta do is go into your Play Store. If you're on Android, I'm gonna leave a link in the description, and if you're on iOS, I'm gonna leave a link in the description for you guys. All you gotta do is type in Byte, and you're gonna see this one. This is what it looks like. All you gotta do is click install. Once it's installed, this is what it looks like. You know, this is your home page right here. This is your search page, which has popular, your mix, latest, comedy, animation, etc., and even has gaming, guys. And then the middle button is for you to record or upload, you know, a video you already recorded. And the Thunderbolt is notifications when you post a video or someone follows you. This is going to tell you who followed you. And then right here is your profile, and right away it's going to show you what videos you posted. I posted this video, and yeah guys, if you guys want to follow me, it's Brian CA250, and hope this video helps out, and leave a comment down below if you want to see more tutorials. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Later.